Hey guys, welcome to Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, I do pure technical analysis of US and Indian stock market. Today, I'm going to talk about important levels of three major indexes: Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. I will also review two major commodities like gold, silver, and analyze the economic calendar. So stay tuned and watch the entire video.
Friends, let's review the economic calendar first. We have two datas coming. The first data is coming on September 6th, that is ISM service PMI. For me, the most important data will be core inflation details. Those are getting released on September 13th. We have core inflation rate, MOM, and YOY. Let's move on to the TradingView app and see the technical levels of all those indexes. So review Nasdaq 100 first. Let me adjust the chart setting. You can see here, and let me change the time frame also. On the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that Nasdaq 100 has a support area between 15,600 to 15,500, this black area. So as per me, if we manage to break below this 15,500, then we can come towards 15,250, 15,000, and then 14,850. If we manage to sustain above 15,700, 15,600, if we break above 15,600, then the first target is 15,700, 15,950. These are the two targets we are playing for the Nasdaq 100. Now, let's talk about Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, this is the day time frame. You can see here, the first trend line resistance is broke from here. You can see this line. The first resistance, trend line resistance, got broke here. Then it took upside and then downside and then again upside, then down and then up, and now it is trading in this range. So I identified that this is a new trend of the index, and the levels will be as follows. Let us convert it into the 4-hour chart here. So to me, 34,900 is the first important resistance level. If it cross above 34,900, then the next target is 35,200 and the second target is 35,500. If, as we are staying below 34,900 now, if we continue stay below that, then the first target is 34,400 and the second target is 34,000. Now let's talk about S&P 500. For S&P 500, if we see, it is trading in this zone, and if we convert it into 4-hourly chart, the level shows us that S&P 500 has a support at 4500. If S&P 500 stays above that, then it can manage to go 4550, 4600, 4635. If it stays below 4500, then 4431, 4400, 4350. These are the three targets which I can see on the downside. Now, for me, the overall market trend should be downward to I mean, it should correct little bit and it should stay there and form a base, because if we see on the monthly and the weekly time frame, all the index looks little overbought. So let me show you Nasdaq 100, some of the important stocks where I feel that they all are overbought and they are looking for some correction or the sidelines. And all these stocks and indexes will show some correction or sidelines until we get the CPI data. So till September 13th, you will see a one range consolidation to the downside, and on the event day, you will see after the event the new direction into the market. So if we see the Apple right now, Apple has the crucial resistance of 190. It is exactly staying over there. If we talk about AMD, AMD is trying to stay near the trend line support of 110. If we talk about Amazon, Amazon is currently below 140. If you see Google, Google has given a red closing on Friday. If we talk about Meta, Meta is also red. Microsoft red. So we are just talking about the candles. We are not talking about the levels of all the stocks. These all stocks are giving us one direction, that market is looking for some sidelines to some small correction. So Netflix is below the resistance of 450. Nvidia is trading at 485. So Nvidia is, uh, unless it doesn't cross above 500, I think we should wait and watch where the Nvidia goes. A new position should be created above 500. Right now, it is looking quite bearish. SOXL, it has a resistance at 25. Tesla, it has beaten down on Friday. It has a resistance at first resistance at 250 and second is at 260. So all stocks you can see they just fall down from the resistance. So to me, it looks like market needs to correct little bit, and after that it should be on the sidelines. So let's talk about the most important commodities, gold and silver. Okay, so if you see for the gold has taken a very good support from the level of 1920, and I told you guys so many times gold has a very strong support between 1920 to 1900. Now the important support area for the gold is between 1975 to 1955. So this 20 points range. So if gold stays above 1975, we will see a quick upside between from 1975 to 2000, 2025, 2050. If it stays below 1950, then you can again see it to go back toward 1920, 1900 range. Now we will talk about the last stock, which is silver. For the silver, I can see the 24.50 is an important resistance. Now it is below that resistance. On Monday, if it managed to stay above 24.50, then you will see the target of 25.50 and then 26.50. But if it stays below 24.50, then it can go towards 23.50 and then 24, 22.50, 23.50 and 22.50.
So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you are new to this channel, do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of all my future videos. Thank you.